Welcome to this lesson. Today we will learn about the word advocate. What does advocate mean? This is an important word to know. Advocate means to help or support someone. It is about being there for others. To advocate is to speak up for others. When someone cannot speak for themselves, you can speak for them. Advocates support people's rights. They make sure everyone is treated fairly and with respect. Here is an example. You can advocate by helping a friend who needs help. Maybe your friend is shy or scared to ask for something. Another example is standing up if someone is treated unfairly. If you see something wrong, you can say something. An advocate can be a person. This person helps and supports others who need it. Advocate can also be an action. It is something you do when you help or speak up. Who needs advocates? People who need help or support. This can be children, elderly people, workers, or anyone facing a problem. There are many examples of advocates. Lawyers advocate for their clients. Teachers advocate for their students. Friends advocate for each other. Community leaders advocate for their neighborhoods. Why do we advocate? We advocate to make things fair and right. Everyone deserves to be treated well. How can you advocate? There are simple steps you can follow to be a good advocate. First, listen carefully to others. Pay attention to what they say and how they feel. Second, understand the problem they have. Think about what is wrong and what needs to change. Third, speak clearly about the problem. Use simple words so everyone can understand. Fourth, give facts to support your words. Facts make your message stronger and more believable. Fifth, be kind and patient when you help. Advocacy is about caring, not fighting. You can practice advocacy in daily life. Help a friend with homework. Support a classmate who feels left out. Talk to a teacher if something is unfair. These are all ways to advocate. Let us look at words related to advocate. Advocate is similar to help, but it means speaking up too. Advocate is like support, but it is more active. Advocate means to speak up, but with a purpose to help someone. Here are some sentences using advocate. She advocates for her brother when he needs help. We should advocate for clean parks in our city. These sentences show how the word is used. Advocacy happens in many places. It can happen in community meetings, rallies, or even in a classroom discussion. Anywhere people gather, advocacy can happen. There are many benefits of advocating. You help others feel better. You make a difference in the world. You feel good about yourself. You build trust with people around you. But remember, there are times when you should be careful. Do not argue or be mean. Advocacy is about kindness, not anger. Practice being an advocate every day. Try to help and speak up kindly. The more you practice, the better you become. Advocacy changes things. It can change people's lives for the better. Small actions can lead to big results. Remember these tips. Listen well to understand others. Understand problems before you act. Speak clearly so your message is heard. Be kind in everything you do. You can be an advocate too. It does not matter how old you are or where you come from. Everyone can help and support others. Let us review. What is advocate? Advocate means to help, support, and speak up for others. It is a powerful word with a beautiful meaning. Now, try it yourself. Think of someone you can advocate for today. Maybe a family member, a friend, or someone in your community. Thank you for learning about advocate. I hope you will use this word and practice advocacy in your life.